Good morning, my dear children. Welcome to your English session. So children, in English text, we have covered 3 chapters. First chapter was Meena the Optimist. Second chapter was the poem Bumblebee. And third chapter was Neera and Tara. Yes, I hope you must have completed the book work and copy work related to these chapters. Now, we move on to chapter number 4. But before I start with you reading of the chapter, I would like to ask you one thing. Okay? So, are you all hearing me? Yes. So, babies, tell me, do you all like pizza? You all like pizza? Yes, I also like. Okay. So, imagine if you are sitting in a restaurant. आप एक restaurant में बैठे हो and there is a yummy cheese pizza in front of you on your table. Yes, एक yummy pizza order किया है आपने सिर्फ आपके लिए. Yes, just for you only. उसे आपको ही खाना है, किसी को नहीं खाना. और yes, so what would you feel like if you see a beggar on a footpath or a poor boy on a footpath sitting? Okay, from the window if you see, or look, what would you feel? Would you like to share your pizza, or would you like to give your pizza to that boy? क्या आपका मन करेगा उसको देने का? Some of you can, some of you cannot. Yes. So today we are about to read a story about a boy whose name is Aryan and about his pizza. What he did with his pizza, we will read in the story. Okay, for that you have to take out your Discovering English book, page number 5050. We will read first of all the new words of the chapter. It is a new chapter we are starting. Okay, now it's not a revision part. So you have to listen to me very carefully for understanding the chapter. And you have to read it also along with me. Okay, so take out your Discovering English book, page number 50. We are starting, children, chapter 4, Aryan and the pizza. So are you all ready? Great. Come on. Now on page number 50, the first word is yummy. Yummy means tasty, delicious. Yes, tasty खाना बनाती है ना आपकी मम्मा? Yes. Second word is pizza. Yes, you all know, there is no need to tell you the meaning of pizza. Yes. Generous. Generous means, what is generous means? Generous means जो selfish नहीं होता, जो बिना किसी मतलब के अपनी चीज़ दूसरों को दे सकता है. Generous is opposite of selfish. उदार जिसे हम हिंदी में कहते हैं ना, ठीक है? Generous is opposite of selfish. Selfish का मतलब क्या होता है? स्वार्थी, जो बहुत स्वार्थी है, अपनी चीज़ किसी को नहीं देता जब तक उसका मतलब नहीं होता. Yes, बट जनरस लोग वो होते हैं, जनरस पीपल वो होते हैं जो बिना किसी स्वार्थ के, विदाउट एनी सेल्फिशनेस, दे कैन गिव देयर थिंग्स टू अदर्स. ओके. सरप्राइज्ड. यस, सरप्राइज्ड. सरप्राइज मीन्स एकदम से शॉक हो जाना. यस, अनएक्सपेक्टेड. यस, सरप्राइज मीन्स दैट. नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट पेज 51. First of all, we will read these points. Did you know? Okay. Generosity means sharing what you have with others. Generous people always have many friends. Being generous gives us as much happiness as to the ones we are generous to. Okay, children. Now, Aryan and the pizza. बहुत अच्छी स्टोरी है. पुट योर फिंगर ऑन द फर्स्ट लाइन एंड यू विल लिसन टू मी केयरफुली. आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू द होल स्टोरी. Okay? Yes. Aryan was very happy. It was a great day. He was sitting with his parents in a hotel. Yes, it was a great day. मम्मा पापा बोले आज हम होटल जाएंगे, रेस्टोरेंट जाएंगे खाना खाने. वाओ, कितना मज़ा आएगा ना. Yes. And he was very happy. The name of the boy is Aryan and he was very happy. They were eating lunch. All the things he liked were on the table. Yes, जो भी आर्यन को पसंद था वो सब उसने ऑर्डर किया था खाने के लिए. So he was very happy. There was a yummy pizza just for him. और उसने एक पिज़्ज़ा ऑर्डर किया था just only for him. वो अपने मम्मा पापा के साथ नहीं शेयर करने वाला था उस पिज़्ज़ा को. Yes, will you share your pizza with me? Okay. Their table was next to a big glass window. और जहाँ वो बैठे थे ना टेबल पे, where they were sitting, it was near to a glass window. Yes, एक कांच की खिड़की थी जिससे हम बाहर देख सकते थे. Yes, the pizza smelled good. Aryan's mouth watered. Mouth watered means उसके मुंह में पानी आ रहा था कि मैं जल्दी से इस पिज़्ज़ा को खा लूँ. He was about to eat the pizza when he saw something. और वो उस पिज़्ज़ा को खाने ही वाला था. He was about to eat but he saw something. उसे कुछ दिखाई दिया. A boy of his age was looking at him. He was looking hungrily at the pizza. He was a very thin boy with torn clothes. Okay, he was about to eat the pizza, but what he saw a boy standing on that outside that glass window and he was looking hungrily at the pizza. उसे बहुत भूख लगी थी. वो बहुत गरीब बच्चा खिड़की के बाहर से झांक रहा था. He was looking inside and at the pizza hungrily he was looking because he was very hungry and he was wearing torn clothes. Torn clothes means फटे हुए कपड़े. How was his clothes? His clothes were torn. He was a very thin boy. वो बहुत पतला लड़का था. He had no shoes. His parents also saw the boy. The doorman shooed the boy away. The doorman shoot the boy away. Shoot means ऐसे हट करके भगाते हैं ना अपन किसी को, चलो यहाँ से जाओ. It means shoot. Okay? तो जो होटल का डोरमैन था, जो गार्ड था, he shoot the boy away. Aryan felt bad. He could not eat the pizza. He kept thinking of the boy. He looked at all the food. I have so much to eat, he said. I wonder if that boy has eaten nothing. Okay, और जब आर्यन ने उस बॉय को देखा when he was looking at the pizza hungrily, तो फिर आर्यन से पिज़्ज़ा खाया नहीं गया. Okay, he was continuously thinking of that boy. वो उस बॉय के बारे में ही सोच रहा था. And then he looked on his table and he saw there were many things, many items to eat. बट उस बच्चे ने कुछ खाया था कि नहीं, ये आर्यन सोच रहा था. ओके चिल्ड्रेन, आर्यन सॉ दैट बॉय लेफ्ट द विंडो एंड सैट ऑन द पेवमेंट. यस, दैट बॉय सैट ऑन द पेवमेंट. पेवमेंट इज फुटपाथ. ओके, ही लुक्ड वेरी सैड. ही वॉज स्टिल लुकिंग एट आर्यन. Aryan could not eat his pizza. He kept thinking about the boy. Aryan looked at the boy again. The boy was lying down on the pavement. फिर वो जब pavement पे बैठा, he sat on the footpath. Then also he was looking to the Aryan and Aryan also was looking at the boy. Then after some time he lied down on the pavement. वो footpath पे ही लेट गया. Okay? Aryan's mother asked, why are you not eating, Aryan? Aryan said, I am not hungry anymore. Can we get my pizza packed? When Aryan was not eating pizza, his mother asked, Aryan, why are you not eating your pizza? Then what Aryan said? Aryan said, Mama, now I am not feeling hungry. I don't want to eat this pizza right now. Please get it packed. इसको आप पैक करवा लो. Yes? Turn the page. On page number 52, you were so hungry, his father said. Both his parents knew that something was wrong, but they did not say anything. They saw that Aryan kept looking outside the window. His mother looked surprised, but she said, "Okay, you can eat it at home." Okay? Then his father said, "You were so hungry, तुम्हें तो बहुत भूख लगी थी." And both of the parents were thinking कि कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. Something has went wrong. Something Aryan is thinking. Yes. So they said to Aryan that okay, let it get packed and you can eat at home. You can eat your pizza at home. They told the waiter to pack the pizza. Aryan said, "I will go and wait in the car. I can see the driver outside." Before his parents could stop him, he took the box and went outside. What happened when his pizza was packed? When waiter packed the pizza for him, then what Aryan said, "I am going out and I am waiting for you both in the car. I can see the driver outside." Okay? उसने अपने मम्मा पापा को बोला कि मैं बाहर जाके कार में आपका वेट कर रहा हूँ. एंड ही टुक हिज बॉक्स एंड ही वेंट अवे. इतने में उसके मम्मा पापा उसको रोकते. ही टुक द बॉक्स एंड ही वेंट आउटसाइड द होटल. ओके? अंडरस्टैंडिंग? गेटिंग इट और नॉट? He saw the boy standing on the street. He tapped the boy on his arm, and when Aryan came out of the hotel, he saw the boy standing on the street. वो सड़क पे खड़ा था. He tapped the boy. Tap means doing like this, tapping on his arm. Okay? The boy turned. "I have something for you," Aryan said. He gave the box to the boy. And what Aryan said? The pizza box he gave to that poor boy. "I have something for you." The boy looked surprised. He could smell the pizza. His eyes filled with tears. Yes, whose eyes filled with tears? Poor boy's eyes. Okay, the boy who was poor, his eyes filled with tears. "Thank you," he said. "I am so hungry." He smiled at Aryan. Aryan did not know that his parents had seen everything from the window. When he reached the car, his mother hugged him. Okay, when Aryan was giving pizza to that poor boy and his parents were watching from the glass window. Yes, there was a glass window near their table, no? So they have watched everything, but Aryan couldn't know कि उसके मम्मा पापा ने उसको पिज़्ज़ा देते हुए देख लिया है. And he went to the car, to his car, and when his parents came outside, his mother hugged Aryan. Yes. "Aryan, you are such a generous boy. I know how much you wanted the pizza." Yes, जब स्टार्टिंग में we started the story, कितना एक्साइटेड था आर्यन अपने पिज़्ज़ा को लेकर. उसने सिर्फ अपने लिए पिज़्ज़ा ऑर्डर किया था. Yes, just for him, but without any selfishness, he gave his pizza to the poor boy. So Aryan is a generous boy. Then she handed him a box. Aryan did not have to open it to see what was in it. Yes, you guessed right. There was pizza in it. Then Aryan gave his pizza to the poor boy. Then his mama has ordered another pizza for Aryan. Yes? Understood the story? Nice story. Yes, children? So we should be generous also. Yes, without any selfishness, we should also share our things with our friends and poors. Yes. Now we will move on to the dictation words which you have to do in your notebook. So children, in your notebook on the new page you will write CW, date, Chapter 4, name of the chapter, Aryan and the pizza, and Heading you will write dictation words. Then first word is pizza. Second is yummy. Third is surprised. Fourth is generous. Fifth is mouth watered. Sixth is pavement. Seven is waiter. Eight is street. Nine is tapped. And the last word is guest. Okay, you have to do this work in your notebook. Okay children, that's all for today. We'll meet in the next session. Till then, you all stay safe at your places and take care of yourselves and listen to your mothers. Okay, mama ko tang karke nahi rakhna hai. Listen to your moms. Okay, and do studies as well. Okay children, bye bye. See you.